Do you wish to share notes and information that self-destruct immediately after it is read? So guys, there is a website which can do exactly what you want. Today in this video I am gonna show you how to share any notes or text information with self-destruction option. So without talking too much, let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe. If you are new on my channel, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and stay connected with my channel. Okay. All first, open up your Google search and search here PriveNote. Then go to this first website, PriveNote. Now here you can type whatever you want, any notes or text information, whichever you want to send to anyone. Then click on create note. Now it's going to give you this private note link. Now copy this link from here. Then send this link wherever you want to share this note. Then click here, yes, show me the note. And it is going to show you the notes. Now when you click on destroy note now you can see here this note is going to destroy. See, this note is destroyed. So guys, in that way you can share any note or text information with self-destruction. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe my YouTube channel SS Tech Tutorial and stay connected with my channel. Thanks for your watching.